The Trading Cards app by Read Write Think is a wonderful app to create trading cards based on books students read, stories that they're creating, science, social studies, and anything in between. To get started, I'm going to launch the Trading Cards app and I'm going to choose my username. At the bottom of the username menu, there are two buttons. You can create a new user or show the user manager if you want to go in and delete or edit a user. I'm going to tap on my name, and now I'm in the Trading Cards main menu. First thing I want to do is I want to create a new card. In the new card creation menu, I can decide what type of card I want, anything from real or fictional people and places to objects, events, or even vocabulary words. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to choose a fictional character here. So I'm going to tap on that and I'm going to add Harry Potter as my fictional person. Once I have my type selected and my name entered, I'm going to tap Next. This is going to take me into the trading card itself. On the left-hand side is my blank card. On the right-hand side at the bottom is a pull-up menu that lets me choose the design of my card. To begin with, I'm going to add a picture to my project. I can choose from the camera roll or I can use the camera to take a photo. So I'm just going to go in and I'm going to go to my camera roll and I'm going to choose a picture. Once I have a picture selected, let me go back here, I can stretch or shrink it using two fingers. And then I'm ready to begin filling in my card. I'm going to begin by tapping on Source. And each time I tap in one of these little boxes, I'm going to get a guiding question that pops up. This guiding question gives me more information about what I should put in this section. There are character limits for each one, and it will tell you in the guiding question box. Please note that the character limit does include spaces and punctuation. Once I've completed the front of the card, I'm going to tap the two arrows at the bottom and flip to the back of the card. And again, I can tap on each of these and it will pop up my guiding question in my keyboard so I can fill it in. When I'm done working on my card, I'm going to tap the Keep It button at the bottom. This will save it into my collection of cards. I can also organize cards by dragging and dropping them into card collections. So I'm going to hold down my finger on my Harry Potter card until I get the yellow outline. And then I'm going to drag it on top of another one and it will add them both to the same collection, which I can then go in and rename. When I'm happy with my project, I'm going to share it. If I'm not done working on it, I can tap on it at any time to go back to the editing menu. I'm going to go ahead and tap Share It. And on this screen, I now have the option to save it to my camera roll so I can use it in other projects. I can send it as an email, or if I have a compatible printer, I can send it to the printer. I can also return directly to my card collection, or I can keep working if I notice there's something I need to change. When I'm finished, I do want to make sure that I log out. So I'm going to tap the log out button in the top right corner. And now I'm back at the main screen and someone else can go in and make their new trading cards.